Hello there, do you know where the largest snake farm in the world is? This place is referred to as the Snake Village, with over 3 million snakes raised, generating a massive income of up to 12 million USD annually. What happens when snakes are raised in such large numbers? Join me to find out in the video below. The snake cage is securely covered with a plastic box and placed into cells. Each cell containing one snake is fully equipped with a ventilation system to ensure coolness in the summer and warmth in the winter. The cage is usually rectangular, the door is a lid and is carefully closed. Snakes usually only live alone during the breeding season. Snakes at the farm will lay 20 to 30 eggs per year with a successful incubation rate of up to 90%. After hatching about 70 days after snake eggs at the farm, they will be placed in separate breeding boxes. Farmers need to regularly take care to limit the situation of snakes eating each other. It takes about 12 to 18 months for an adult snake to grow properly if raised properly, with an average weight of about 4,409 pounds. When raising snakes, farm owners need to pay attention to issues such as diseases, diet, reproduction, and how to care for newborn snakes. Their main food includes frogs and mice. They should be fed every 3 to 5 days, with the amount of food gradually increasing with age. For snakes under 6 months old, the amount of food is equal to 30% of body weight each month, divided into 7 to 10 times. From 6 months to 1 year of age, you should eat an amount of food equal to 20% of your body weight each month, divided into 5 to 6 times. Children over 1 year old need to eat an amount of food equal to 10% of their body weight each month, divided into 2 to 4 times. Besides, we should also provide enough clean and cool water for snakes to drink and bathe. However, this is an extremely dangerous job that brings many risks. Snake caretakers need to understand the personality and characteristics of this animal. During the care process, they need to be careful to avoid unwanted incidents. Snake farming still thrives today for commercial purposes, from selling meat to stores to selling it to pharmaceutical companies using it as medicine or soaking it in wine. The process of processing snake meat involves the butcher separating the snake's head, then slowly peeling off the skin and removing its internal organs. Using sharp knives, they meticulously separate the meat clinging to the skin. Snake skins are often thick, sometimes requiring stretching machines to remove them. The processed skin is taken to a production area to create luxurious products for their owners. The remaining meat of the snake is then carefully cut into sections for further processing. Each piece of meat is meticulously prepared, removing any undesirable parts. This process requires concentration and skill to ensure each piece of meat is handled properly. In terms of weight, an average snake can weigh from a few pounds to several dozen pounds, depending on its species and size. In the Chinese culinary market, snake meat is often considered a delicacy and commands a high price. If you have ever enjoyed this delicacy, please comment number 1. The process of extracting snake venom requires professionalism and caution from experts. Then, experts carefully and safely sample venom from the snake. Typically, this is done by stimulating the snake to spray venom or using safe techniques to collect venom from the fangs. After sampling, the venom is transported to a laboratory or research center for analysis and study. The process requires meticulous care and high-quality control to ensure safety for those handling the venom and individuals working around them. Products made from snake leather often exhibit luxury and sophistication due to the natural beauty and durability of the material. Craftsmen creating these products typically pay meticulous attention to detail. From selecting the leather to cutting and stitching processes. Snake leather bags, in particular, tend to command higher prices compared to bags made from other types of leather due to the uniqueness and distinctiveness of snake leather. The detailing on snake leather bags often reflects finesse and class. When raising snakes, breeders need to pay attention to safety measures to ensure absolute caution. Snakes can be dangerous if not handled carefully. Farmers need to have a solid knowledge of the snake species they raise, as well as safety measures when working with them. Snakes can be dangerous to humans through bites, venom, or temperature shock. Some types of snakes can pose a danger to human life or health. While many countries worship snakes and do not eat snake meat is still consumed in some other places. However, hunting and consuming snakes can cause animal protection and environmental problems. Some people also believe that eating snake meat is inhumane due to the processing of snake meat. For many people, the fact that farmers can earn $1 billion from snake farming is a clear testament to the prosperity and diversity of China's agricultural industry. If you agree, comment number 1. If you disagree, comment number 0. Thank you for watching the entire video. Like and press the channel subscription button to watch the next videos.